Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you on how to copy a folder in Google Drive. But before getting started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, go to the Google Drive application. Here, you can see I'm already logged into my Google Drive. Select the folder that you want to copy. Suppose I want to copy this images folder, so I'm tapping on it. Then, on the top right corner, you can see 3 vertical dots. Tap on it. Here, you can see different options related to managing access, sharing, and many others. If you scroll down, you can see Make a Copy below Move and above Details and Activities. Tap on it. Just wait a while, and you have copied that folder. So, this is how you can easily copy a folder in Google Drive. If you found this tutorial easy and helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also press the notification bell so you won't miss any updates from us. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.